Recently, many customers have purchased MacBook Pro A2442 screen assembly from us. Due to the original screen damage, abnormal display or lines, the entire screen needs to be replaced. However, since the screen and motherboard of this model of MacBook A2442 and A2779 are bound together, if another screen is installed, a long strip of squares will be displayed on the upper edge of the screen. Resulting in an incomplete display. The only solution is to move the two IC chips on the original old screen and solder them to the new LCD. Install the LCD with the replaced chip on the corresponding motherboard again. The screen displays perfectly and normally. We support this repair service. Many foreign customers send the entire screen to China. We help replace it and then send it back. We look forward to long-term cooperation with you. WhatsApp or WeChat +8618609404